Hey, in this video, we are going to show you a new feature within Helium 10 Cerebro, which is a tool for Amazon and Walmart keyword research. Today, we're going to focus on Amazon, and it's also a reverse ASIN tool. Basically, it allows you to take an ASIN on Amazon, input it into Cerebro, and then you can get all the keywords from that specific ASIN. And there's so many things to this tool. So today, we're going to share some new addition to this tool. In the description, we have a free Helium 10 account and a free trial, and the best discount for Helium 10, and a playlist with over 150 videos that show you how to use different parts of Helium 10. And today with me, Carrie Miller. She is an Amazon seller, and also she is with Helium 10. She's going to help us today with this new feature. And I think it's a pretty cool feature. Yeah, let's see how it works. And Carrie, what's up?
All right, so this particular tool in Cerebro is really helpful because what you can do is you can go to your competitors and take a look at what they were doing in, any time in the past 24 months. So, for example, this particular competitor of ours, they sold way more than us in last December. They sold double. So I wanted to see where they were ranking and kind of what keywords they were targeting that we are missing. So what I did is I just took their ASIN, where we did a reverse ASIN search. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on show historical trend. And when we click on show historical trend, I'm going to see all of the past 24 months where, how many keywords they were organically ranked for and sponsored ranked. So the orange represents the organic, and then the purple is sponsored rank. But I want to take a look at December of 2022 because that's where they really beat us that month. And I want to see what keywords they were targeting. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click apply filters. Okay. So on this part here, what we can see is we can see all of the keywords where this particular product was ranking organically and sponsored. So you can sort and see basically where they were. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, I want to see all of the keywords where they were ranked in the top 20. Okay. So if I go, I can hit 1 to 20 and click apply filters. I can basically see where they were ranked organically and sponsored ranked. So you can see that they have a lot of keywords here where they're ranked number 1. And a lot of these have really good search volume, like Gothic home decor. They're literally ranked number 1 back in December of 2022. And that had, 16,000 search volume. That's pretty amazing, to be ranked for some of these keywords. So that's a really good indication of some of these, keywords that they were targeting that we might not have been targeting. So like, for example, I don't think we targeted Gothic gifts for women. They were ranked number 1 for that. And then down here, we've got goth gifts. They're ranked number 2. That's a bigger keyword as well. So there's a lot of, keywords that they were ranking for and basically doing well on that we weren't even on the radar for. So this gives a really good indication of that. Something else I like to do to kind of get more specific is I like to put in specific holiday terms to see if they were targeting specific keywords for the holiday season. I needed to check, and since I did all these, little keywords here, I need to click any so that I show any of those keywords. So if you do all, then it has to show all in the phrase. Yeah. So it'll kind of give you the wrong results there. But so basically, we're going to see a lot of really cool gift terms here. This, for example, we've got Gothic gifts. We've got horror themed gifts, spooky gifts for women. We definitely were not targeting that before. Gothic gifts, spooky gifts. They were ranked number 7 for spooky gifts, and that has, 4,000 search volume. So there's a lot of opportunity here where we've really missed out on some of these keywords. And this is a great way to find them, especially, before, holidays come in. This could be for any season. So say you're going into the summertime, there's a lot of different keywords for summertime. So you can see historical keywords. So you can go back to any month and see, okay, what keywords were kind of trending in the summertime? What keywords were trending in the fall for different, different products have different kind of peak seasons. So you can see what's going on with the keywords at different times of the year. So it's very, very helpful to be able to filter and see, okay, where were my competitors ranking in the top 10, top 20 when they were literally, triple in sales of what we were. So I think this is a very, very helpful tool to kind of find those keywords by going back in time. Also, if you wanted to do a seasonal product, you can go back in time and you can see, what kind of opportunity there was with the search volume. So it's a very, very helpful tool for a lot of different reasons. But I love this historical trend data that we have now to be able to just help us with seasonality, keywords, and, during different times of the year.
It's pretty cool what we see here. And all these keywords are amazing. And we see that they did really well in them. But let's say we don't remember exactly what kind of keywords we have or don't have, right? Maybe someone has like 50 ASINs and they're not really following. So can we include our ASIN here as well so we can see on this, to see that here the ranking, here we are not ranking, you know what I mean? Can we?
Currently on the historical filter, we can't, but you can search your own individually. So it's kind of not at the same time. So what you do is you could go next and say, okay, where was I ranking in the top 10? And you can see, okay, was I ranking for spooky gifts? No. Was I ranking for any of these others? And you can kind of compare it manually that way. We hopefully will kind of add that in there, but right now it's kind of you can only do one at a time for this particular filter.
Pretty cool, pretty cool. So in the description, we're going to have the free account and trial of Helium 10 to try it out, and the best discounts for different plans, and the playlist of Helium 10 tutorials also is in the description. Carrie, thank you for showing it to us. Hopefully for this Q4, maybe people will add a few more keywords, get a few more sales, and why not? That could be nice.
I think so. It's definitely helped me. So I'm excited that I was able to share it. So thank you.
Thank you.